Hello there and welcome back to the DBMS video series. In this video we are going to discuss the question set 23. So the first question is, what is the lowest mark obtained for Sinhala subjects in the first term? So we'll go to our ADSQL. So I'm going to make the both windows side by side, and now I'm going to paste in the query. So this query selects the minimum marks from the student exam mark record, and then we inner join the subject table on the student exam mark record with the student ID, with the subject ID, and then we inner join the exam term ID with the exam term table, and we search for the subject name Sinhala language and literature and the term name first name. So let's run this query, and then we can see that 75 marks is the lowest marks that has been received for Sinhala in first term. Let's go to the second question. Find all the details of the students who got the lowest marks in the first term Sinhala subject. So to get all the students' details, I'm going to use another query. So I'm going to use inner join exam term and so first I'm going to select all from the student exam mark record table. I'm going to inner join the subject, and then I'm going to inner join exam term table, and then I'm going to use the select min subquery. So that selects the minimum mark of the Sinhala language first term, and it will display everything. So let's see, and then we can see that there is only one student who has got lowest marks in the first term Sinhala subject, and that is 75. Next we have to find out what is the lowest mark obtained in the second term science subject. To do that, we will be using another query. So we are going to select the min mark from student exam mark record, and we are going to join the subject and the exam term tables to the student exam mark record table, and we are going to search for science and second term, and we are going to see where the minimum mark is. So let me check what the minimum mark is. It is 45.52. And we'll go to the next question. What is the minimum mark obtained for the subject of mathematics in the term examination in 2020 July 7th, July 10th? So I'm going to use another query here. So I'm going to select all from the student table where index number is in, and I'm going to use a subquery. I'm going to select the student index number from student exam mark record where marks. So I'm going to find the marks of the student by using a subquery. I'm going to find the minimum mark, and I'm going to join the subject and the exam term with the student exam mark record, and I'm going to search for mathematics with the exam date 2020 July 10th, and then we can see that we are getting one result, that is Sadhuri Vijayaratna, and he is from class ID 1. So since they haven't asked us to find the class, we didn't find the class. Now we'll have to find all details of the students who obtain the minimum mark for the subject mathematics in the term examination held. So that's what we found now, and we also got the above questions answer as well, which is 45.5. So thank you for watching this video. We'll meet in the next video.